Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove add-ins stuck in Outlook. Let's dive right in. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once it's loaded up and you can see your emails on the main screen, you're ready to move forward with removing those stubborn add-ins that might be causing issues or slowing down your Outlook experience. Now, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs up there and you're looking for the one that says File. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This is where you'll find all the important configuration and management options for your Outlook application, including the settings we need to access the add-ins section. Once the File menu opens, you'll need to look toward the bottom part of this menu. You should see an option labeled Outlook Options down there. Click on it, and this will open up a new window called the Outlook Options window. This is the central hub for customizing and managing various aspects of your Outlook application, from email preferences to security settings and more. In the Outlook Options window that just appeared, take a look at the left side menu. You'll notice several categories listed vertically, and you're looking for one that says Add-ins. Click on Add-ins, and this will display all the add-ins you've installed on your Outlook software. This section is crucial because it gives you a complete overview of every add-in that's currently active or installed, including the ones that might be stuck or causing problems. Now, here's where we actually remove those stuck add-ins. Look for a button that says Go, which you'll find next to the word Manage near the bottom of the window. Click on the Go button and a new add-ins window will pop up. This window shows you all the add-ins that are currently in your Outlook, including the ones that might have been automatically installed and are now stuck in your system. From this window, you have two options for dealing with these problematic add-ins. If you want to completely remove an add-in, simply select it from the list and click on the Remove button. This will permanently delete the add-in from your Outlook application. Alternatively, if you just want to temporarily disable an add-in without fully removing it, you can simply uncheck the checkbox next to each add-in you want to disable. This way, the add-in stays installed but won't run or interfere with your Outlook performance. Once you've made your selections, click on OK to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully removed or disabled those stuck add-ins from your Outlook application, which should help improve performance and eliminate any issues they were causing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.